Welcome to Simple Software Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block or unblock an email address in Gmail. If you're getting unwanted emails from a specific sender, Gmail gives you a couple of ways to keep those messages out of your inbox. In this video, I'll show you how to use Gmail's built-in block feature, how to create a filter that automatically deletes messages from a specific address, and how to undo either option later. Let's get started. The first method uses Gmail's built-in block feature. This block feature sends future messages from that sender to spam. You can block someone directly from one of their emails and unblock them later either from a message or through Gmail settings. To do that, open an email from the sender. Next, we'll click the three dots next to the reply button. Then click on the block option. Click on the blue block button to confirm that you want to block them. And they're now blocked. Any future messages from the sender will be sent to your spam box. To unblock them, you can do it very similarly. Just open an email from them and click Unblock Sender, and then click Unblock. Now, if you don't have one of their emails handy, you can also manage your blocked addresses through Gmail settings. You can do this by clicking on the settings icon, then click See All Settings, then click on Filters and Blocked Addresses. From here, locate the sender and click Unblock. Then confirm the unblock. Another option is to create a Gmail filter for a specific email address. Instead of sending those messages to spam, this method automatically sends them to the trash. To do this, click on Show Search Options, enter the address into the From field, and then click Create Filter. From here, you can check Delete It. And if you also want to delete any matching conversations in your inbox, you can check that box and then click Create Filter. Any future email from that address will now automatically go to your trash instead of appearing in your inbox. Now to undo this, you can click on the settings icon, then click on See All Settings. And then we'll go back to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab and locate the filter on the list, and then just click Delete. Then click on OK to confirm it. Now, if the messages are coming from a legitimate newsletter or mailing list, you may want to unsubscribe instead of blocking the sender or automatically deleting their messages. To do that, open a message, and Gmail may display an unsubscribe option near the sender information like this. So you can click on that and then confirm that you want to unsubscribe from them. Or you can always scroll down to the bottom of the message and locate the unsubscribe option. And that's how to block or unblock an email address in Gmail, as well as how to create or remove a filter that automatically sends a sender's messages to trash. I also have complete step-by-step instructions and screenshots on my website, which I'll link to in the description below. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more tutorials and visit simplesoftwaretutorials.com for step-by-step guides and free resources. Thanks for watching!